Today we're going to be solving this geometry problem where we want to find the radius given this circle. This is the diameter, this is 1, this is 3, and these are right angles, and that is 2. Now this is a very tricky problem, and you might want to immediately just guess that these are right angles, but they are actually not right angles. So where do we begin? Well, we don't have that much information. So we want to probably make some information. So we're going to take a look at angles. Let's say that this angle right here is, draw this line. Say that this angle right here is theta. Now how does this help us? Well, because this is an inscribed angle, we know that this arc over here is 2 theta. Now, let's draw in some more lines. We know that this is the same inscribed arc, so this angle is also theta. Now, let's make another key insight. This line from here to here connects the endpoints of a diameter, so we know those intersect at a right angle. Now, if you look up here, what is happening over here? This is a right angle overlapping another right angle. Because of this, we know that this middle angle is the same, then these two outer angles must also be the same. So we know that that is congruent to that. So we have similar triangles. This triangle is similar to this triangle by angle. So we have 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over x. So solving for x, we get that x is equal to 6. So we have this side length being 6. Now, we can actually solve the problem because we can draw in this diagonal right here and get that this is what we want to solve for. Because this expression is going to be 2 times the radius minus 1. So you have 2 times the radius minus 1 squared, because we're going to use some Pythagorean theorem, plus 2 squared is going to be equal to this squared. But that squared is also equal to 3 squared plus 6 squared, because by another Pythagorean theorem. So, solving for r, we get 4r squared minus 4r plus 1 plus 4 equals 9 plus 36. So, simplifying, we have 4r squared minus 4r plus 5 minus 40 equals 0, right? So, now moving back up. Then we have that r squared minus r minus 10 equals 0, and this does not factor, so let's use quadratic formula. So r is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared plus 4ac, so 40, all over 2. So we don't want this negative value, because if we use a negative value, we'll get r is negative, and we know it has to be positive because it's a distance. So therefore, we have r equals 1 plus root 41 over 2. And that is our answer.